Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips on how to be more productive. I did a video a little while ago about how to live a happier life, and you guys really seemed to like that video. I wanted to do another video kind of similar to it, and I definitely want to film more of these videos. So let me know what other kinds of videos you want to see like this. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button down below. Make a to-do list. Honestly, so helpful. I love making to-do lists. I've been obsessed with making lists lately. I don't know what it is, but I've been loving making lists and to-do lists. It's a lot easier, at least for me, to see everything I have to do on a piece of paper than have to remember it all in my brain, because chances are if I just remember it all, I'm gonna forget something that I have to do. Another thing I like to do with my to-do list are write everything I have to do in the order I have to do them in. Normally my to-do list start with homework because I just like to get my homework done and out of the way, so I'll most likely have homework first and then maybe film a video or something, whatever else I have going on that. Also, if you make your list like kind of like pretty and nice, not just like scribble, scribble, okay, scribble this, okay, oh, boom, done. It just like makes it more appealing and you're gonna wanna like look at them more. Tip number 2, work in a clean environment. So for me, I usually work in my bedroom, I do my homework at my desk, I film my videos in my room. I'm in my room all the time. So having a nice clean room is really nice because I can like work and concentrate on what I'm doing. Whereas if my room's all messy, then I get distracted easily and I don't really want to do anything. And I find that when my room is messy, I end up just laying in bed and watching Netflix. But when I have a clean room, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, boom. Tip number 3 is try to get as many things as you possibly can done before lunch, because like once you eat lunch and everything, then it's kind of like, oh, I want to take a nap, I want to relax, like I don't really want to work anymore. So if you can get everything you done before lunch, then you can relax and you can do all this. But then if you don't, you may not get everything you need done because you're napping or relaxing or whatever. And personally for me, I feel like when I have things going on the weekends and everything, they're more in the afternoon, so anything I need to get done, I like to do in the morning, because then all I have to do is worry about that thing I have going on, and that's all I have to do in the afternoon. Tip number 4 is to not multitask. I know you're probably like, well, if I multitask, I can get more than one thing done, which means I'm being even more productive, but that's actually like the opposite, because when you multitask, you're more likely to get distracted and forget about what you're thinking about, and it's just more likely to take longer. So don't multitask, just do one thing at a time, because if you do one thing at a time, you can be like, okay, I gotta do this, like do, done, next, do, done, oh, next thing, do, done, boom, I'm done with all my work, I've been productive. But when you multitask, you're really likely to like forget what you're thinking about or like get distracted and move on to something else, and then you never finish the first thing, and then you have to go back to it later when you forgot about it, and it's probably not going to work out for you in the long run, so just don't multitask. Tip number 5 is to wake up early and get a good breakfast. So personally, I can't sleep in. Like the latest I've ever slept in is to 9:30. I just can't sleep in. So I guess this is easier for me. But if you wake up earlier, you'll just have like more hours in your day. You'll be able to get a good day started, to get more stuff done. Eating a nice breakfast is really important, because then you're fueled and you're ready to take on the day and all the tasks you have to accomplish. I feel like a mom or like a teacher like saying like, eat a good breakfast, but it's true. Personally, for me, when I eat like a really nice breakfast and I don't eat just like a little, you know, like a piece of fruit or something, and I get a really nice, good breakfast, I feel great and I'm ready to take on the day. So those were all my tips. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys with a new one super soon. Bye!